In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add new fonts in Photoshop. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. Here we are inside Photoshop. Maybe you're bored of the default fonts, or you're working on a specific design that needs a unique style. Whatever the reason, installing new fonts is quick and easy, and I'll walk you through everything without skipping a single step. First, we need to temporarily close or minimize Photoshop and open a web browser. This is because we'll need to download a new font. Once your browser is open, go to Google and search for DaFont. The website is dafont.com. This is one of the most popular websites for downloading free fonts. At the top of the site, you'll see different categories such as Fancy, Script, Gothic, Basic, and many more. You can also click on top to see the most popular fonts, or new to browse the latest uploads. Scroll through the list and find a font you like. On the right-hand side of each font, you'll see information about its license. Some fonts are free for personal use only, while others are 100% free for commercial use. Make sure you check this before downloading if you plan to use it commercially. Once you've chosen a font, click the download button on the right. After the download finishes, open your File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder. You'll usually see a zip file. Click on the zip file and select Extract All at the top, then press Extract. This will create a new folder containing the font files. Open the extracted folder, and you'll see a file that usually ends in .ttf or .off. Double-click this file. A preview window will open showing you what the font looks like. In the top left corner of that window, click Install. Wait a few seconds until the installation completes. Now, reopen Photoshop if it was closed. Select the text tool from the left-hand toolbar. Click anywhere on your canvas, then type what you want to write. Then go to the font drop-down menu at the top. Type the name of the font you just installed, for example, Cream Cake, and select it from the list. And that's it. Your new font is now ready to use inside Photoshop. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.